and end up being stranded in a country that's not yours. When you start buying yam here, it is going to pain you. I want to come here and be naked. I say nice because hey you, welcome or welcome back. So today I'm going to be talking about things that you should bring when coming to Canada as an international student. But I do want to say that this is from my point of view. I did ask a couple of people to what they would recommend, like let's say newbies, but like newcomers bringing in to the country. But this is from a predominantly African point of view, and specifically Nigerian, like West African. I wrote down some stuff on my notes, so if you see me looking down, that's what I'm looking at. I'm just going to get right into this and make this as quick as possible. So first things first, if you're the type that you really like African, Nigerian food, you want to get a couple of them when you're coming, because when you start buying yam here, it is going to pain you. I don't care who you are, it's going to pain you. Yam, pig milk, like those are basic stuff that are definitely a lot more expensive here. Indomie also is, but I don't really see you carrying a carton of Indomie to travel. So try to get like foodstuffs, like some certain ingredients. I mean, it's not everything that they allow you to travel with, so you also have to make sure that whatever you're trying to get, you will be permitted to travel with, so that you don't end up going to the airport and having to drop it off there, then it will be a waste. So after that, the next thing is like hair stuff. If you're a girl, you want to carry like some hair stuff, like I would say especially like braiding hairs or nice crochets. And I say nice because you don't want to carry crochet then and they like crochet hairstyles, like crochet extensions I mean, and at the end of the day you won't use it. So you want to carry nice crochets, especially sometimes you may feel it's very conditional and very like depending on your person, you may feel like making your hair yourself, and crochet just makes it so much easier and faster, makes everything quicker. So that is something I would recommend. Try to get like some basic hair stuff that you know you would need. If you are the type that braids, try to get like enough braiding hair. And the next thing I would say is, which honestly should have been the first, is to come with a plan. That is very important. You cannot just come to a new country without a plan. You need to come to a plan on with like how you're going to survive. Are your parents going to be sending you money? You're going to have a job, have to get a job. Like, what is the plan? You need to have that prepared like on your mind before coming, so you don't come here and end up being stranded in a country that's not yours. On the same line of coming with a plan, so if you're going to get a job, you want to come with your documents, like your, what's that stuff called, your resume, and like just other documents you need. You could also come with other documents regardless of if you plan to get a job or not, like your immunization papers, your driver's license if you have one, your birth certificate, or at least a copy if not the original one, because sometimes you may need this and you really don't want to be communicating back and forth with your parents or your family or whoever back home, just so that whenever you need it, you could just pull it out and make the process so much easier and faster. Trust me, it will save you a lot of time. So if you have any certificates alongside with documents, you also want to carry that along. And I would say that clothes are not really like, you could bring your clothes, obviously you'd still wear them. I brought a couple of my clothes and I still wear some, but honestly this should be like the least priority. Obviously you want to carry some because you don't want to come here and be naked, but like depending on what time of the year you're coming, if you're coming towards like September, October, maybe if you have to prioritize what type of clothes to bring, come with like the thicker clothes, because then it's going to be fall then winter for a while before you get to wear warm clothes again. And the thing is that like the warm clothes in Nigeria are not like really the warm clothes people wear here. So if you have like really light clothes, you can also bring a few of those for like summer and like lighter weathers and whatnot. So you want to come with money, like if you are able to get money from your parents while coming, just do that then, because like sometimes the banking system like back home be acting really weird and be fluctuating. So you want to try and come with enough money that would last you for a while. That is on the same line of trying to come with a plan. So that is something you should discuss with your parents or your sponsor, or like, I mean, if you're sponsoring yourself, that's something that you should have in mind. So the last thing I'm going to say is that you should try to come with a skill. There's so many skills You just have to pick the one that you are interested in or passionate about and try and learn it and get like really good at it, so that when you come, you can actually put it to good use here and make some money to support yourself or whatnot. Now, the thing about a skill is that having the skill is one thing. You also have to market yourself to be able to get like customers, clientele, and market yourself to the right people. Because you could have the skill and still come and not use it, and then it may or may not be a waste. I don't know, but it's better like you try to get a skill like hair making, or just, I don't know, cutting hair, like that's barbing, graphic design, any of those stuff, and then come here and you have to actually actively market yourself and market yourself to the right demographic. These are just the things I have to say that are very important when you're coming, and these are like the opinions of some of my friends and family that I asked. And yeah, that is it. If you have anything to add, please do so in the comment section so that anyone watching this video would also benefit from it. If you found this video useful, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to click the subscribe button on your way out and leave a comment. Let me know how it was useful to you, what you're not sure of, if you need to carry, or just any question you want to ask. Basically, just let me know in the comment section down below. And yeah, thanks for watching. I'll catch you guys in my next one.